Hi, and welcome to OwnerRez. Testing is an important part of ensuring that your OwnerRez account is functioning properly and that your settings are fully optimized for performance. To help with testing, we've created several tools that will show you what is complete or missing in your account or where errors might exist. This video shows the Listing Quality Analyzer, a tool that checks your properties for common mistakes, unsupported content, and incomplete settings. The Listing Quality Analyzer is extremely important when preparing your properties for channel integration and management. Even if you don't use channel integration, this tool still provides valuable insight into your content, rates, and rules. To access the Listing Quality Analyzer, select the Tools menu button on the top right of your screen, scroll down and select Listing Quality Analyzer. From this page, select which properties and from which channels you would like to analyze. Once you've made your selections, select Analyze Listings. The Listing Quality Analyzer will produce a list of errors and warnings that you should address to improve the quality of your listings. Errors in red are items that could potentially cause issues with connecting a channel integration and need to be resolved before proceeding. Warnings in yellow are items you should address to improve the overall quality of your listings, but they shouldn't cause an issue with channel integration connections. Lastly, notifications in blue require attention but won't necessarily cause any booking or listing issues. Let's take a look at the error message above for our Bear Valley listing. Here you can see it's within the accommodations category and has to do with the Airbnb property type element. On the right side of your screen, you'll see a helpful message which explains the issue and shows you where to correct the issue. The message here reads, "Property type not set for Airbnb, so we will use the default type instead. To set an Airbnb property type, go to the accommodations area of this property." Let's go ahead and walk through the steps to fix this issue. Select Properties on the bottom far left of your menu bar. Scroll down to Bear Valley. Then select the Accommodations menu underneath Listing Content. Next, select the pencil icon to make changes. And here you can see there is no accommodation type selected underneath Airbnb. We can quickly fix this just by selecting the drop-down menu and selecting a property type for our property. Once you've made your selection, select Save. Now that we've corrected the issue, let's go back to the Listing Quality Analyzer by selecting the Tools menu button, scrolling down and selecting Listing Quality Analyzer. Next, select the same property and listing channel as before and select Analyze Listings. Here you can see the error message that was listed above is now gone. You'll want to go through each of your error messages carefully to ensure everything is listed completely and correctly communicated between all your API connected channels. It is especially vital to run the analyzer before API integrating with the new listing channel. As the different listing channels such as Airbnb and Vrbo continue to make changes to their softwares, OwnerRez is also continually adding quality checks every month to ensure that all your property information is correctly communicated and synced up. Because of this, we recommend running the Listing Quality Analyzer frequently throughout the setup process and from time to time after you are set up to ensure you're getting the very best out of our industry-leading API connections. When you're ready to continue on to the next step in the setup checklist, be sure to watch our video, Custom Sources. Thanks for choosing OwnerRez.